Okay, it's Joe again, and I'm upstairs in the big room. And this is the one that had the beaver board on it. Has the two front windows. And the other claim to fame is that it had all of these shim boards left over for the beaver board, which I left in place because it'll make it so much easier to put sheetrock up here. And they said that was okay to do. So that was cool. Now, so we have the windows, and they needed to vent to the outside. They took the screen off of this one, but here's the spot where the chimney also had that problem of reaching in behind, and they did a pretty good job here of this. But the other piece here is where the dormer had been built. They did something that they had done on the other side, which was they just left the roof from before. And so the problem was, how will you get stuff up there and reach in this small space that makes kind of a narrow spot? And maybe it's not the clearest, but what they ended up doing was, they said, have you got a sawzall around here? I said, I sure do. And they sawzalled out some of the stuff with the shingle still on it, which I will end up discarding here. And it's getting thrown out the window unceremoniously, but they did about as good a seal as possible. You can't leave this stuff exposed because of the fire rating, so this obligates you to put a minimum of 3/8 inch sheetrock over it. Now, something interesting over here is, because of the way the addition is, they did the same thing with the shingles, and I put in some baffles to mark where the interior wall partition began on the sloping part, and that's why you see this V shape going down here, because to the right of it is an interior section, to the left of it is an exterior section. And we still have the spider thing here, but basically I thought they did a super job up here.